Berlinger Corporation, your partner globally for secure, simple and lasting doping control, temperature monitoring, and special solutions of the best Swiss quality. Berlinger. Feel safe. Berlinger Fridge Tag 2. Instructional video. Chapter 1. State of delivery. The display is blank. Chapter 2. Gathering information prior to device activation. Diverse information can be read out upon successive read button pressings while in sleep mode. Display test. All segments activated. Date and production test result. 16th of September 2012. Pass. Current temperature and which sensor is activated. Configuration ID number. First alarm settings and type. Time and temperature limits. Second alarm settings and type. Time and temperature limits. The display is blank again. Chapter 3. Activation of the Fridge Tag 2. First step. Activation process. To activate the device, press the set and the read buttons simultaneously for more than 3 seconds. The initial display appears. Second step. Setting the date format. Option 1. Setting the date in European calendar format. Press Set to continue. Option 2. Setting the date in US calendar format. Press Read and then Set to continue. Note, the following example shows the setting in European calendar format. Third step. Setting the date. Instruction for the use of the Read and the Set buttons. Each time you press the Read button, the number in the flashing digit will increase by 1. If you press Read more than necessary, continue pressing the Read button until you obtain the desired number. Press the Set button to save the number, then the next digit will start flashing. The following examples shows how to set the date to 16th of September 2012. The first digit is flashing. Press Read until 1 appears. Press Set to save. The second digit is flashing. Press Read until 6 appears. Press Set to save. The third digit is flashing. Press Read until 0 appears. Press Set to save. The fourth digit is flashing. Press Read until 9 appears. Press Set to save. The seventh digit is flashing. Press Read until 1 appears. Press Set to save. The eighth digit is flashing. Press Read until 2 appears. Press Set to save. Note, the date is now set. After setting the date, the first digit of the time will start flashing. Fourth step, setting the time. Note, the clock function operates as a 24 hours clock. For example, 1:47 p.m. equals 13:47. The following example shows how to set the time to 13:47. The first digit is flashing. Press Read until 1 appears as the first digit. Press Set to save. The second digit is flashing. Press Read until 3 appears as the second digit. Press Set to save. The third digit is flashing. Press Read until 4 appears as the third digit. Press Set to save. The fourth digit is flashing. Press Read until 7 appears as the fourth digit. Press Set to save. Note: The time is now set to 13:47. Fifth step. Setting the temperature measuring unit. Option 1. Setting the measurement unit in centigrade. The centigrade sign is now flashing at the right bottom corner. Press Set to confirm the temperature measurement unit in centigrade. Option 2. Setting the measurement unit in Fahrenheit. Press Read once and the Fahrenheit sign will appear. Press Set to confirm the measurement unit in Fahrenheit. The activation is now completed, and on the display the word Lock appears. Lock function. For a period of 10 minutes, the fridge tag does not measure the temperature as to avoid false readings. This allows an adaptation to the environmental temperature before normal recording continues. Note, the lock function takes place after completing the settings for activation, if one of the buttons is pressed during measurement, if the USB is connected to a computer. Even in lock mode, the user can press the read button to retrieve history information. Chapter 4. Placing the fridge tag 2 with an internal sensor. During the lock function, the fridge tag 2 can be placed in its location. This time allows an adaptation to the environmental temperature. Place the device as good as possible to ensure a perfect temperature observation. Note, for the right positioning of the fridge tag 2 within the fridge, please follow the instructions of WHO, CDC, or any other governmental requirements of your country. Chapter 5. Changing the settings, for example to change from summer to wintertime. To adjust the time, press and hold the Set button and then press the Read button shortly. Then proceed as in chapter Setting the Date and Time. Note, the number of time adjustments during the same day is unlimited. After adjustments are made, the device will be locked from 01 AM until 01 AM on the following day. Chapter 6. Display indication during measurement mode. The lock function is completed. For 1 minute, no current temperature is displayed on the screen. After this, you'll see the OK display, where the fridge tag 2 displays the OK symbol, the current temperature, the time and the date, and it indicates that the measuring is made with an internal sensor. Alarm display. If the temperature and the time conditions are outside the preset alarm parameters, the following will be displayed: the alarm symbol, an arrow in the upper display area, the warning symbol. Note, the warning symbol will last until the user will read out the details of the triggered alarms. After that, it will disappear. The alarm indication cannot be cancelled nor reset. Chapter 7. Reading the history. You have 3 options to read out data from the fridge tag 2. First option, read out day per day directly on the device. 30-day history. Read out during OK display. Press Read once. The first high arrow starts blinking. The screen shows the high limit records of the current day, the highest recorded temperature, the duration out of the preset temperature high limit. Press Read again. The first low arrow starts blinking. The screen shows the low limit records of the current day, the lowest recorded temperature, the duration out of the preset temperature low limit. Keep on repetitively pressing the Read button day per day until 30 days. read out an alarm display. Press Read once. The first screen of a lower alarm event is displayed. The following information is indicated: alarm limit, day of alarm, date of excursion, time of excursion. Press Read again. The second screen of a lower alarm event is displayed. The following information is indicated: lowest recorded temperature, time duration out of the preset temperature low limit, kind of temperature recording. Keep on repetitively pressing the read button day per day until 30 days. Second option, read out alarms only. Alarm super jump function. To only read out alarms, press and hold the read button for at least 3 seconds. The latest alarm will be indicated. On the first displayed screen of the latest alarm event, the following information is indicated: alarm limit, day of alarm, date of excursion, time of excursion. Press Read again. Second screen of the latest alarm event. Highest recorded temperature, time duration out of the preset temperature high limit, kind of temperature recording. Note: in order to jump to the next alarm, press and hold the read button again for at least 3 seconds. Third option, how to read the history via USB port. Plug the Fridge Tag 2 into any computer via USB interface. The following window will appear. Now, open the files generated by Fridge Tag 2. Note: for this process, no additional software is necessary. Sample of a PDF file generated by a Fridge Tag 2. Sample of an ASCII file generated by a Fridge Tag 2. For further information about Fridge Tag 2, please visit our website www.berlinger.ch or see the operation manual of the Fridge Tag 2.